What's up, guys? Yes, it's me, Peace Gamer, and today we're going to be playing with Mortis and Genie, the Mythics. We're going to be playing 5 games with Mortis and 5 games with Genie. So let's start with Mortis now. So you're asking yourself, how did I get it? And what account is this? So this is actually my real account, and I got it by chance. Okay, going to kill discount. Never mind. Just wanted to get this. Oh my god, I'm so dead. Almost dead. But I said I have a challenge I said not give you. If I want to stop playing with Mortis or Genie, I have to win at least 1 victory. So yeah, hope this one is going to be actually going to surprise Colt. Like done. Okay, dead. See, this is actually one of the specialities. You go attack the low health with Mortis, then you get stronger and stronger, so you go attack the others, and okay, I won. Okay. First game with a victory, isn't it? Okay, play again. I'm actually kind of happy because like in my previous video, it just take a little bit more time to load into a game, but now it goes way faster. Oh, I have a crow versus me. Crow. Okay, crow. Please, one more hit. Okay, yes. No! Yes! Oh my god, this power points. I was so close to die. Just getting the full health so that no one can surprise attack me. Okay. I like how they all like literally die from the robots. What I like by Mortis, like when you have someone next to you, you can literally just run away. Oh no. Oh no. I need some health. Okay, now we can kind of attack. 1, 2, 3. Ten. Oh my god, unlike how I'm still trying to get boxes and everything. And this happened. Done. Okay, one more hit. We're almost unbeatable with Mortis right now. Just get this last chest before we go attack. 1, 2. Oh, it's a Jessie. I mean, like, okay, sure. No. Oh, good game. Top 2. Almost killed the Jessie, but killed the crow. That's not bad. Okay, so 3 games left because, well, we finished our challenge. But also remember, we're going to play with Genie and we'll have the same challenge. Genie is like the same thing as Penny, but at the place of like when you hit something, it goes. It's when you hit something like the I don't know how to explain. Never mind. Oh, Mortis AFK with a Poco. Just going to take this Poco. No, you mean? Yes, Caxley. Mean boy. Mean. Okay, good. I was scared that she loads again, like health. Please don't. Yes, the boss is not going on me. Oh, no, I'm not gonna go on Shelly. Shelly's strong. We're going to go follow where the bot went. Just going to get this chest before that Shelly comes on me, because I can feel her. Not getting scared. Okay. No. Okay, Shelly. Shelly. My friend, Shelly. Is that a Gale? Okay. No. Guys, leave me. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna third party there. Oh, never mind, no. Top 3. Oh my, what a coincidence. Top 1, top 2, and then top 3. Yes, our Mortis is rank 16 right now. On my next video, like on this account, I'll be playing with BB and Frank. You will see the subtitle as me playing with very like rare epics or something like that. So if you tap on this video, you'll see me playing with BB and Frank. Oh, okay, this is a good dynamite. And have a BB next to me. I'm just going to. Oh no! He has his superpower. I know he has it. Oh my god! Yes, don't come on me. No, don't come on me. Nice, Poco. Nice, Poco. Just don't come on me. I'm just going to escape this. No way I actually beat. Wait, if I actually get the BB. Oh no, that's a Jackie. If I get the Jackie, I may win. Oh no, Dynamite is on me. Okay, wait, I got this first power point. No. Okay, so I killed now 2, even though Jackie was one of them. I can't kill the bot, he's so high HP. I'm sure like there's some. Oh, you see? Pam is in here. Yes, I see you, Pam. Just going to give you some bats. Then I'll just kill you. Oh, Daryl and don't. Please, this is my last chance. No. Shoot power. No, how? Yes. Thank you, bot. That was so close. Top 1, top 2, top 3, top 1. Not bad. So this is our last game with Mortis. Okay. Ooh, that was scary. Okay, we can do this. Mortis green dot blah blah blah. Okay, so we got this first chest. Now let's go get the others. Okay, so one of the boss are coming. Let's just leave it and go get our chest because Shelly, oh my, I don't want Shelly. Shelly, stay away from me. No, stay away. Wait, I have an idea. Okay, Barley here. Dun. Okay, I may be dead. Oh no. No, Shelly. Wait, I think there's someone here. No. Thank you, Shelly, but at the same time, why, Shelly? No. Sorry, Frank. Top 4. So this was our last game with Mortis. We got a top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, and another top 1. So now we're going to start playing with our best friend, Genie. Wait, what? No, I don't want to buy Richie. Yeah, most trophies. Genie is here. Okay, starting our match. I just hope there's no Penny, because I hate pennies when they're versus me with Genie. Perfume Girl is here. Perfume Girl. Oh my god. Perfume Girl. Okay, I'm so dead. First game was just see this. It's okay, we can get back. But we still have to win one victory. I'm going to make it exceptionally top 2 because it's Genie. Like Genie in the house. Genie of Aladdin. Okay, I have a Rico, that's good. Just need to where he is. Oh, El Primo. No. I was joking. El Primo. Yes. Die, El Primo. Thank you, bot, but at the same time, you can, like, stop coming on me. You know what I mean? Stay away from me. Stay away. Oh, no. We're going to go to people, aren't we? We actually may win this game. Because, like, we're in a top 3. And this... Oh, showdown. You know what? I'm just going to leave it for the victory, even though it's Genie. Just we don't need to let Carl see us. Okay. Oh, no, he saw us. Oh, my God. 10, 13? Well, he was 10. Top 2 with our second game with Genie. 3 games left, trying to get this victory. Oh my God. Okay, so almost in the game's third game with Genie. So I'm going first for this box chest. Rico, it's okay. No. You're supposed to go to the... Rico. Stop going to the chest. Okay, killed one chest. Rico and Bo surrounding me. At least not a good Rico. Now the Bo. Don't think I'm actually going to do it with the Bo, are we? Yes, we actually made it. Yes. Yes. What? Another Bo? Oh no. Bad move. Mistake. No, Nita. This is mine. What? Oh, top 4. Top 4, top 5. Top 4. So first game we got 10th or 9th. Second game we got 2nd. And now we got 4th. No. Yeah, 4th. I actually don't know anymore. 4th or 5th. 2 more games. Trying to get this victory. BB in here. And BB who sucks. Oh, okay. That's how you want to play it, huh? Thank you actually for pushing me. No, I'm sorry. That was awful. Last game with Genie. I just hope I get this victory. Make it rank 16. Let it go with Mortis. Well, if I don't get the victory, I'm just going to play 1 extra game so that I can make it rank 16 with Mortis. Like, equalized rank. Genie's worst enemy. Plus Anita. Great. Haha. Yes, El Primo. Go kill her. I'll just come in the third party. No, what? You're not supposed to come on me? What? Oh my... No, I'm still going to be playing. Oh my God. I'm just going to get it rank 16. Now just stop. Rank 16. That means 14 more trophies. Okay, so going for this box. Hope no one's coming. Okay, I have a Barley and Daryl. I'm actually going to go with... No? Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. Okay, killed the Daryl. Even though he wasn't that good. Or maybe he had bad internet or something. Well, at least we got it. Okay. 3 power points. Shelly on me. Shelly. I may kill the Shelly. What? Okay, Shelly went. Did she? Oh my god! Shelly, chillax. I just want to get my chest, dude. Chillax. No, Brooke, this is my PowerPoint. And you are mine too. No, the chest went. Can I get it? Okay, good. I think we're going to win this game, hopefully. Yes? Yes, we won this game. Okay, so if you want, you can just go, like, leave. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I'm not gonna make it to actually rank to later. So I'm not gonna make it to rank 16. I'll just make it off camera. I won this victory. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.